Hi everyone, this is Terry with 31. I'm back and I'm here to share with you something very near and dear to my heart, and that is our opportunity kits. I joined 31 in January, it'll be 10 years ago, and I'll be honest, I joined for the kit because the kit is an amazing deal. But it brought me so much more. It brought me new friendships that I wouldn't have without 31. Financially, we've been able to pay off both of our cars, helps with the bills. You know how it goes. No guilt getting that PSL at Starbucks. So I love to share this with you, and I feel like I would be remiss if I didn't. So with that, you guys, it really has been a life changer for me. So if you're looking for something part-time, if you're looking for some extra cash, it's just a fun side gig that can bring you in some extra money. So so whether you're looking to just get a great deal on the kits, or if you're just looking for a new opportunity, then this might be for you, and I would love to talk to you about that. So please reach out to me if there's any questions I can answer, and I would love to share my story with you. Okay, thanks everyone.